Hello everyone, this is the third episode of Probability. Today in the video, addition rule. There are times we want to combine simple events. When we combine two or more simple events, we get a new event called a compound event. For example, let's say we have a box containing 5 blue balls, 4 red balls, and 3 green balls. And a ball is randomly drawn from the box. A simple event A can be drawing a red ball. Another simple event B can be drawing a blue ball. Now, we can combine the two events as new one, drawing a red ball or a blue ball. Putting that in symbolic form, we say A or B. Here, when we say or, we mean either A occurs or B occurs or both A and B occur. Now, the question is, how do we find the probability of A or B and the probability of A and B? Let's find out. To find the probability of A or B, we can use the addition rule. So now, back to the problem of drawing a ball. If we want to find the probability of drawing a red ball or blue ball, we first find P of A, which is 4 out of 12, because there are 12 balls in total. Then P of B, the probability of drawing a blue ball, is 5 out of 12. We also need the probability of drawing a red ball and a blue ball at the same time. But since we draw only one ball, it cannot be red and blue at the same time. So P of A and B is 0. And thus, P of A or B is equal to 4 over 12 plus 5 over 12 minus 0, which gives 9 over 12. So it's 3/4, or 0.75. In the case when A and B cannot occur at the same time, like this problem, we say that the events A and B are disjoint, or mutually exclusive. And so, if A and B are disjoint, then the addition rule can be simplified to P of A or B equals P of A plus P of B. Oftentimes, A and B are not disjoint. And so, P of A and B is not 0. Say we roll a fair die. Rolling an even number and rolling a number greater than 4 are not mutually exclusive. Looking at the outcomes, notice that 6 is an outcome in both events because it's an even number and greater than 4 at the same time. So now, the probability of A is 3 out of 6 because there are 3 even numbers. The probability of B is 2 out of 6 because there are 2 numbers greater than 4. And notice that it's possible for A and B to happen at the same time. That is, rolling a 6. So the probability of A and B is 1 out of 6. Okay? Using the addition rule, we get 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6 and subtract 1 over 6. And we get 4 over 6. Which is 2/3, or about 0.667. Next time we are going to talk about multiplication rule. Stay tuned. Please subscribe and give me a like to show your support. I'm Wilson. Thank you for watching. See you next time.